And this will help get rid of any varroa mites. And that's why we're wearing gloves and the hat and veil, because there are a lot of bees around here. Okay. I'm not hurting them when I do that. They're pretty versatile when it comes to that. What I'll do is just put this right in front here, just like that. Okay. Go ahead and proceed to put the top bars on. Without crushing any of the bees. New home for them. There's going to be a bit of excitement the next couple of days here at least. Give them an evening to calm down, and they'll probably pick up work first thing tomorrow. And work, as you know it, is gathering nectar and pollen. Got a grease patty. Just going to leave out there like that. Close up this area. It's a food chamber. And small hive beetle traps. Because it wouldn't hurt to have them. Gonna fill them up. Just have some mineral oil. Okay, just like that. I think I'll only do one right now. I don't want so much space in there. Then I have a dropper. I just take a little bit of apple cider vinegar, put it in there like that to attract any beetles, and leave it like that. Hey there, this is Tony Teolis of ToDoListHome.com. It's 2014, springtime, and the start of my 5th honeybee season. So far, I'm on honeybee colony 5 right now. Colony 4 right there, and colony 5 is going to go in here today. This is the top bar that I built between January and February. We'll open it up, put the top bars in, put some feed in, and I'll show you what it looks like before the bees go in there. I've got a pollen patty down here. There's my follower board with a hole that leads to the sugar syrup that I'll turn upside down. And then a grease patty to help keep down with the varroa mites as well as tracheal mites. In the front here, I just put a mesh screen in front of the one hole and narrowed it to the size of about 1 bee to help them defend themselves till they get strong. And I also rub just a little bit of this lemongrass oil on the inside to help the bees feel more at home. Make them feel comfortable. They found a nice place and start building comb right away. I made my space in here 10 top bars wide. Got a follower board here, follower board there, and then on the top of the bars I went ahead and laid a bead of beeswax across the top to help them get started building comb. And this sheet right here I just coated with a little bit of mineral oil and slide right under the screen bottom board just like that. That'll help me keep track of any varroas that these bees might be carrying.